three key gang leaders, Barbecue, Vitalom, Lamo Sanju, we've put out large rewards for information that'll lead to the arrest of those three individuals. 5 million for Barbecue, 2 million for Vitalom, and 1 million for Lamo Sanju. People say, is this for dead or alive to kill them? Nope. This is money that'll lead to the arrest. Now, I hear from lots of folks, first question that I hear, everybody knows where they live, everybody knows where they are. What we need is specific information about exactly where they are at specific times. Who has that information? I think those gang captains, those people who are in the coalition of Vivre Ensemble, those people who are in the circle around Barbecue, those are the people that I want to make sure hear this message. I don't know if many of your viewers are in that audience, but many people have a general idea. What I think we're really looking for is for somebody with personal, up-to-date information to come forward. We've got all the information on our website about that. The second question that I hear is, wait, is this a joke? Can we really trust it? You really going to give us $5 million? The program that we run for this over the last 30 years has provided $250 million to 125 different sources around the world for the same thing that leads to information that leads to the arrest of different individuals. I get the question from Haitians. Give me an example. Fundamentally, we don't give the example because
those are confidential.
It's confidential.
Yeah.
That same way that we protect the confidentiality of sources around the world is the confidentiality that we will preserve for any Haitian source. And I get people asking me, okay, but man, I get $5 million. Now my life's going to be in danger. We hear that. On a case-by-case basis, we examine opportunities for relocation. So the thing to do, if you're somebody who has information, specific actionable information, maybe you're in the world close to one of these gang members, today's the day. Change your life, change Haitians' lives for the better. Reach out to us and the information on our website to offer that information. We'll start the conversation with you about what information you have, what the process would be to move forward. And then there's one more question. The Hollywood part. Why don't we just send in the Marines?
Yeah.
Why don't we just send in the CIA, the Navy SEALs? Yeah. Yeah, Hollywood's fun, isn't it? You get to watch all of this. That comes back to a fundamental part of our policy. Remember what I said. This administration's been very clear. Haitian-led solutions. We are not looking for anything except Haitian-led solutions. So we want to see Haitians step up, take the step that helps us arrest him.